Sir Ramvin fan!
Yeah,
Welcome
welcome back to
wel-
our vlog.
Welcome back to our channel!
A channel
So di dyan may season na kaan yun vloggers
Lagi.
kay wa may kibawon sa isulti.
lagi ang last na mo nga vlog kay katupang pag New Year, New Year's Eve no.
Oo, mga 4 months ago, daghan na kay nitabo, ni donate ko sa kong kidney.
Lagi good thing nga. Okay, recovering ni gid buyag
Yes,
siya.
on second month na almost back to normal na
Baka ang pagkakuan.
kamaldita.
Dita. Kanan sa naayo na.
Today is very special because today is Alvin's birthday!
Karon padung misa good luck hotpot.
Yes, sumuni mo ang first sa itinerary kay pang good luck sa birthday ni Alvin.
Gors na good town. Man need og good luck.
Kailan na edad ni mo, be?
30.
30?
5 years ago.
35 na.
Gors na
Wow.
good down. Sus. Muna maning kamot ta guys. Kung ilahanglan og skincare, mag skincare gyud sus kay pwede mailhan na tentahin na ta.
Fresh pa maghapon kaayo. Gwapo
Ikaw,
kayo.
ra, ikaw.
So after na mo mag hotpot kay mag staycation me. Kay again priority ang Bemban. Uy, kuan ba na birthday blow out. Blow up. Ato mi sa Move and Peak Mactan, guys. It's one of our favorite resorts in Cebu. Kay chill lang gid siya.
Oh, nindot og vibes, nindot og pool, nindot og beach, nindot og room, no? Lami pa the breakfast. Can't wait to go back.
And mag Q&A vlog mi sa Move and Peak. So naman tay Ramvin nga GC. So we'll pick some of the questions there. So on the spot na mo ikuan pod i-answer kay para authentic, genuine ang answers na mo.
If makaya na mo tanan question si answer, why not? Pero ilang we'll just make it quick.
Pero ang kuan ha kay dili quick.
Quickie.
Okay, see you later.
See
This since it's your birthday, pagpili na siya ang ganang baliton. Or Louboutin, Gucci. Choose anything you want. Nabitaw na ko yung wallet. Me sa Good Luck Hotpot in New Star. How was the experience be as the birthday boy?
Exclusive gini mo ang whole place. Kami rin yung tao dito ganina pag lunch ba. Inindot kayo kay ang service kay lagi designated nga butler na mo service sa food and everything mo explain. Yeah, we get that set nga lunch set. So good for 2 siya pero actually pwede siya pang good for 4 no?
Oh, wala
Kayo siya.
wala gud na mo nahurot. So
Oh,
nag-take
sulit.
out na lang. Nag-take
Baluti.
out na lang, baluti na lang ang insect.
Nag-Sharon ang
So grabe sulit yun kayo na quality good tanan nilang ingredients. Grabe and ang ambience.
Matag ka nang naa sa Chinese temple. Matag mahal na empress.
Oo. Actually promo to among gikuan nga lunch set nila for 2,980. Grabe ka sulit. One of the best, if not the best, I think the best good siya nga hotpot experience for us tanan. Ambience, service, food, unya napa sila ka ng entertainment ba.
Unay manayag Chinese cultural
Oh.
dance. So, sulit siya. Nindot din siya.
Kuan siya, mura siya mahalon tan-awon sa gawas. Actually, mahalon good siya. Pero tungod sa ilang lunch set promo for people like us nga, mga tihik. May ana ba, ganana on a budget. This is one of the kuan yun, ganang pinakasulit yun. It's ready guys. Surprise Alvin.
Happy birthday! Wow! Happy birthday! Ikaw!
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Make a wish. Yeah, happy birthday.
Thank you, B. You're so sweet. Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Jewelry and na black wedding dress na get 'em on the no promise I think I'm okay. Let's go dance na let's go home na I'm lovely Natasha. I'm okay.
We're heading to the chocolate R.
Chocolate. Herb.
It's PG. Okay.
Chocolate days, chocolate covered days, sugar coated haze, life's a sweet parade. Biting.
Hey. The banker wants to swim the beach. On the beach? In the beach?
At the beach.
Please comment down below.
Above the beach.
Let's go.
Birthdays hit different to know when you're older. Wala na kayo bongga nga plans kay mas ganahan na ka nga moments nga ingon ani lang, peaceful, quiet, and together. Sometimes the best birthday celebration isn't the place. It's who you're spending it with.
In a world that feels so fast and heavy sometimes, Alvin's one of the people who make life feel softer and calmer for me. So not just today, but every day, I really want him to feel how special he is.
Jump!
We're going to
It's covered.
in Crimson Resort Mactan
Kids.
for the birthday boy.
Excited na may mo tilaw o Spanish.
Spaniard.
Spaniards.
Spanish food.
Yeah, Spanish food.
We
na
miss
yun, guys.
It's been a while.
Yeah,
Bro, pa may kibaw sa amoy order. We want to surprise ourselves. Pero of course, magbuot ang birthday boy. Kay siya sa'y magbayad.
Ikaw mong goodbye yan.
We're here. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Sir, we would like to greet you a happiest birthday. Make a wish
Aw.
in the office.
Make a wish.
Happy birthday to
Happy birthday. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
How do you maintain love while still keeping things keeping things fun on the side?
Put the center.
On the front.
On the side, in the side, at the side.
Inside the side.
So, night times nga funny ni siya, night time nga kalagot.
Most of the time, kalagot. The hardest scenario that you've experienced in your relationship.
So, noon siya sa Maya community nga mayot siya.
Oh, yeah?
pero sa iyang family good kay
Oh, wala.
na relatives wala good. Di ato sa i-share nga naabot sad sa point si Alvin nga.
So,
ni
what was
siya.
your first impression of each other? What investments can you advise to couple? Starts with small investments.
Ano pala, first month pala yung sa mag-uyab kaya I really asked him, hindi mo hang savings.
Mo